Came on Malaysia for the first time. Come on, like, woo, wait again.
Where's my milkshake?
How's your food, Jay?
That's like a small man.
Junior, you're saying the food is small, but you haven't even started eating.
Yeah, it's small. That's small.
You must finish it, then I'll believe you it's small.
No, you must finish first.
Then I'll believe you when you say it's small. But as long as you're not done eating, you cannot tell me it's small, my baby. No ways. How's the food?
Nice.
Is it nice? Enjoy. Enjoy it.
This is what I want to show you. I said I want Western food. Something that I know. No, I'm just going to eat other things that I don't know.
It's near.
I want shit. No?
Okay guys, for me now, it's a content. Nah.
Fun.
So guys, this place like is very big. Like it can fit more than 100 people, I think. And this is the washroom, and yeah, you can wash your hands also here. Here you can wash your hands. This is where you wash your hands here. Like, it's nice. You dry your hands here after washing your hands. There's soap. Yeah, it's so nice, guys. So nice. Okay, so there is this side also, but I don't know now. Oh, it opens up. Okay. I don't know why other people are sitting this side, but it seems like it's the same restaurant. So here's the other entrance, which means you can go in there if you want and eat this side. It's also the same restaurant, but I just don't know. Maybe you choose where you want to sit. Yeah, that's it. The thing about here, even though they have their menu, they still have the food displayed in order for people to see. And just like us yesterday, we had to come and see. Before we came here, we first came to see what is happening and what they have, and then we're able to see, okay, this is what they have. At first I thought it was going to be a buffet because of the way they display their food, but apparently it's not a buffet. You sit down, you get a menu, you choose what you want, and then they come and dish for you, of which I think is also like nice, and their prices are good. Like, they're not bad. Look at this. Like, this is what we noticed yesterday. Like, even though it's not a buffet as such, but their prices are good. Yeah. To my seat, going back to my seats. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? How you guys doing?
We're fine, but this one.
Are you guys fine?
I'm not fine with this one.
What's wrong with this one?
We can't find.
Kita